Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best brow gel from Arches and Halos, the Microfiber Tinted Brow Mousse in Neutral Brown. If you're searching for a product that effortlessly shapes, fills, and defines your eyebrows while maintaining a natural look, this might just be the one for you. The Arches and Halos Microfiber Tinted Brow Mousse is designed to give your brows a flawless finish with its richly pigmented mousse formula. Unlike traditional brow gels that can feel sticky or clumpy, this mousse glides on smoothly, coating each hair with color and definition without weighing them down. The texture is luxurious and soft, allowing you to build up the color gradually to suit your preferred intensity. What makes this mousse stand out is its innovative microfiber technology, which adds volume and dimension by adhering tiny fibers to your natural brows. This helps create that fuller, thicker brow look without the need for multiple products. It's perfect for anyone wanting to enhance sparse areas or simply achieve a more polished appearance. The product comes with a built-in spoolie comb that works like a charm to evenly distribute the mousse. This handy applicator allows you to sculpt and shape your brows precisely, giving you control over the final look whether you prefer bold or subtle brows. It ensures every hair is coated and set in place, eliminating the need for extra tools. One of the key features is its water-resistant formula. This means your brows stay put all day long, resisting smudging or fading even in humid or rainy conditions. So whether you're at work, hitting the gym, or out for an evening, you can count on your brow game to stay strong without constant touch-ups. Another major plus is the fact that this mousse is both vegan and hypoallergenic. It's gentle on the skin, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin or anyone wanting a cruelty-free beauty product. The ingredients are carefully selected to provide excellent performance without irritation. The shade Neutral Brown is thoughtfully crafted to suit a wide range of hair colors and skin tones, offering a natural finish that blends seamlessly with your brows. The color payoff is rich but not overpowering, enhancing your natural beauty rather than masking it. Packaging-wise, the product is compact and travel-friendly, perfect for tossing in your makeup bag for on-the-go brow fixes. Its sleek design makes it easy to handle, and the mousse stays fresh inside, ready to deliver consistent results every time. In summary, the Arches and Halos Microfiber Tinted Brow Mousse combines pigmentation, ease of use, long-lasting wear, and a skin-friendly formula to deliver a high-quality brow product. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to upgrade their eyebrow routine with a versatile mousse that shapes, defines, and fills all in one step. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're into brow products that work as hard as you do, the Arches and Halos Microfiber Tinted Brow Mousse is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.